Hey guys, today I'm at the SMX Convention Center for the 2022 Transport Show. Over here at Alex Restoration, they have two classic Mercedes-Benzes. The W113 280SL Pagoda. Very beautiful. The black one actually, we did a shoot with the painting process and the ceramic coating. Go ahead on my channel to check out the full video on that. They also have here a 1966 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. Shelby GT500. It's very aggressive. Such a classic muscle car. You can't go wrong with that. Next up is Starbright Customs. So they displayed this Mustang convertible and city hatchback. Really dig those wheels. I think those are really nice and looks good on the hatchback. This is the RS version. Does have some carbon bits on the skirt. You know, simple things can go a long way. Okay, next up we have Wrapteck. They displayed this beautiful E46 M3. Then they have the F30, oh sorry, the F80 M3. I really dig this color on the F80. On the far right of the convention center, we have Alfred Motorworks. So they do restorations as well, you can see. It is very, very clean. There's this clean Chevrolet 3100. Classic pickup truck. Here's South Marina Paint and Body Works. They have a Subaru Levorg on display and a Mitsubishi Evo 8. This is the Atoy's booth. They have a mobile tiny house which is furnished by IKEA. They have various displays here for your next adventure. Taking center stage is Emperor Motorsports. So they have 4 Lamborghini SVJs displayed here. You also have your very limited Ferrari 812 Mansory. Is it really a car show without some modified Rangers? So here you have some Ranger Raptors which are modified by Autobot Offroad. Have a beautiful Jeep Gladiator over here. It's a Ford Ranger that looks like an F-150 Raptor. Check out this classic Toyota Corolla. This is a pretty interesting bug because it is an all-electric Volkswagen. Really cool. I like the concept. Oh, you have a Triumph Spitfire Mark III right here, and it is also converted into electric. You have a couple of classic cars here as well. You have a Mini Cooper, Toyota Corolla, another Toyota Corolla. Okay, now it's time for the egress.